Hi, John here. In this video I would like to talk about how to fight Facebook ad fatigue. Thank you for watching my videos. If you watch them every day and you are still not subscribed, definitely subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and also if you have some ideas about future videos, definitely leave a comment below. What is ad fatigue? Basically it's when you are running some promotion for like a long time and you are, for example, not testing new ads, right? So you are focusing on some specific audience. That could be even small audience. So well, sometimes even increasing the size of audience could help ad fatigue. But if you are just running on some audience with same ads without changing those ads, like changing thumbnails, changing videos, changing images, or like different headlines, different text part, that people are already used to your ad, that ad will start underperform, that Facebook algorithm will also like not push it, too much, and well, that whole promotion will like start like keep going down. You always need to keep testing new versions of your ads. It's very important because every time when you will test new thing, you will basically like give that like new blood to that ad, and even that algorithm will pick up and push that new ad like forward to people, and well, when people are like used to see like same ad, they are not like active on those ads and they're not engaging. But if you are testing different types of ads, by that I mean like different creatives, like with different thumbnails, videos, images, basically people will be like engaging a lot more, and you can go with that one promotion with a lot of different variations of ads like for a longer time, and you can even like scale higher, and that those ads will not underperform. Let me give you some example from my business, right? So what I found out with all my e-commerce products, that usually when I'm like running some ad and it hit like 5 million views, that's usually when I see that okay, like from this time it's like going slowly down, so I need to start testing a lot of different angles and different videos. Well, what I'm doing personally for my ads is that, let's say we have ad, and basically in 70% of that ad, in that video, I'm explaining people like those features of product and I'm showing them the product in action. But in first 20 or 30% of that video, at the beginning, I'm basically trying to catch them with some emotions, at the beginning. So I'm showing something that will really like take their minds, and like make them to watch it whole, like a little bit like scare them, you sometimes like shock them, give them some like entertainment, in those first 20% of video. My video ad, for example, had that 5 million views, and it starts to underperform. I'm starting to creating like a lot of different versions of those first 20%, when I'm in the part when I'm like a little bit like scaring and shocking people, because for me those features of that video can stay same, that part with all features and information. But what really can be like changed fast, is those first like 20% of video where I'm really like trying to take that attention of that person. When that fatigue happens, I'm basically ready with another like 5 or 10 different angles of the beginning of that video, and basically it will immediately like give that video like new blood, so Facebook will pick up, or sometimes when you will change angle of that video, you might be like surprised what kind of groups of people will now start work with your ads, so you always need to test different angles of those, like with, at least with me, like at the beginning of that video, because you will be able to probably like even like open different types of groups, that could be like interested in that product. You can also like test different thumbnail is probably like most important, because that will make that person stop, look at your ad, and decide if it's worth their time, to like click on that video or watch something, or watch those like first 6 or 10 seconds. So first thing, that what I'm also doing, that I'm also like testing like for each video variation like 5 or 6 different thumbnails, to understand, what thumbnail is like working best, so you should also like do that, change thumbnails. And same thing for headlines, you should test like different headlines. Like for example, I'm also like using in headlines, like in a first part of headline, I'm usually using that offer, like let's say that like 70%, 75% off today only, or buy one get one free today only. And that second part of that headline, I'm using emotion, like hashtag like save dogs, like hashtag family safety, hashtag blah blah blah, you know, and some like heart smile to give that headline some kind of like warm emotions. And that's what I'm also testing to like fight that ad fatigue. I am trying to put there like different emotions for different type of groups, you know, after that hashtag. And that's why I'm changing that emotion behind the hashtag, you know, because it will also help me to hit different group with my ad, you know, because maybe with some other headline it was not working for like some type of group, and with new headline it will also work like with different type of group. So you need to like change also like headlines. But I think most important is always video. You can even leave there like same text, same headline. I always like see difference when I'm changing videos. I mean, not even like whole video, just the beginning of video, because that's most important. So if you want to like revive your ads, definitely change beginning of video and change thumbnail. They will like help a lot, you know, because these are like two most important things. Thank you for watching this video. Definitely join Aspiration. It's my free Facebook mastermind group. It's just started and it's like growing fast now. So if you have some more advanced questions about Facebook advertising or e-commerce, definitely join Aspiration today, and you will also have direct communication to me so we can talk. And also don't forget to download my free ebook, Facebook Advanced Survival Guide. If you got flagged recently, this book will take you out of that Facebook circle of hell and help you to like restart your promotion, so you will be able to get back, you know, on track and start selling your products again. So definitely download that. And thank you for watching my video. I will see you tomorrow.